Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create shorts and reels faster with Filmora 14, which is AI tool. I will just tap on it and here you will see the interface. In the dashboard you will see like AI reels maker. So simply just tap on it and from here you will just choose your import video. So from here you will just select it like you will like theme, which is I will just select it like this one, epic, and the mode is happy. So here you will just select your aspect ratio and here you will just select your music style, but I will just tap on it auto. And if you want to add some music instruments, so you will just also, so here you will see it will will activate once uploading is complete. So please wait for the moment when it goes to reach 100 and then I will just play it. So finally the video has been created, but it will say that if you want to generate this video or uploading, so you will just have to generate button and you will have to purchase the plan. So in this way you will have to compulsory to purchase the plan, and after purchasing you will be able to download this create shorts and reel faster with Filmora. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.